laser printer keeps getting memory overflow errors. Which of the following is most likely to fix the problem while still maintaining the print quality? So we've got a couple of options right here, and we're going to go through all of them, eliminating the weird ones. So first, we have reduced the print resolution. Nope, we need our print resolution. It literally just said maintaining the quality. Then we have reduced the RET, and from what I know, RET is resolution enhancement technology. We don't want to lower the resolution, so get out of here. We're not doing that. Then we have replaced the printer's RAM. I mean, it didn't say there was anything wrong with the printer's RAM, it just said that we keep getting a memory overflow error, meaning there's not enough RAM. Meaning to fix this problem, the best thing to do is add more RAM to the printer. You don't need to take out components that are good, you might be able to just add more. So a laser printer keeps getting that memory overflow error. What are you supposed to do to fix the problem while still maintaining the quality? You need to add more RAM to that printer.